What if I told you that people are making thousands of dollars by selling digital products right from their Pinterest accounts? In just minutes, you could turn your ideas into a passive income stream. Stick around to discover the secret strategies that top creators are using to cash in on this wildly untapped market. Don't miss out on the chance to transform your creativity into profit. Step 1. Identifying your niche and generating product ideas is the cornerstone of building a successful digital product business on Pinterest. Start by reflecting on your own passions and expertise. What do you love to create or talk about? This could be anything from crafting to digital marketing. Once you've narrowed it down, it's time to dive into research. Explore Pinterest to see what types of content are trending in your chosen area. Pay attention to popular pins, topics that get a lot of engagement, and keywords that resonate with your audience. Use Pinterest's search bar to uncover related ideas. You might find sub-niches you hadn't considered that could lead to unique product offerings. Remember, the goal is to align your product ideas with what potential customers are actively seeking. Consider creating digital products that solve problems or fulfill needs. For instance, if you notice a lot of interest in home organization tips, think about creating checklists, planners, or guides that help people declutter their spaces. So now, take a moment to jot down 3 to 5 product ideas that excite you and match your niche. What problems do these ideas solve, and who would benefit from them? This reflection sets the stage for the next step in your journey. What niche are you most excited to explore, and what unique product ideas do you think could make an impact? Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Struggling to succeed in affiliate marketing? Get real results with Passive Profits Blueprint, our free video training designed for newcomers. Learn to choose the right product, connect with your audience, and generate income efficiently. Stop wasting time on ineffective strategies. Visit digmarketing101.com and start your journey to financial freedom today. Your success in affiliate marketing is just one click away. Act now. Step 2. Developing and optimizing your digital products is a crucial step in turning your creative ideas into profitable ventures. Start by focusing on quality. Whether you're crafting an ebook, designing printables, or building an online course, ensuring that your products deliver real value to your audience is essential. Think about the specific problems your products solve. This not only helps your audience, but also sets your offerings apart in a crowded market. When creating your digital product, attention to detail is key. Make sure they are visually appealing and user-friendly. Incorporate vibrant designs and easy navigation to enhance the user experience. If you're creating ebooks, consider using engaging layouts and clear fonts that are easy to read. For printables, think about the functionality. Make them practical and simple to print. Once your products are created, it's time to optimize your product listings. Write compelling descriptions that clearly convey the benefits and features of your products. Utilize relevant keywords that potential customers might use to find offerings like yours. This will not only improve your product's visibility on platforms like Pinterest, but also attract traffic to your listings. Don't forget about visuals. Pinterest-friendly images are vital for capturing attention. Use high-quality images that represent your product well and include text overlays to highlight key benefits. Consistent and attractive visuals can make all the difference in enticing clicks and boosting your sales. What specific problems are your products solving, and how can you present them in an eye-catching way to ensure your audience takes notice? To effectively promote and scale your products on Pinterest, it's crucial to leverage its unique features, such as rich pins and promoted pins. Rich pins provide valuable information directly on the pin itself, which means your audience can get a taste of your product even before clicking through. This enhances user experience and trust right away. Promoted pins can give your listings a significant visibility boost, placing your products in front of a larger audience. When setting up your promotions, focus on targeting relevant keywords and demographics to ensure your pins reach potential buyers who are genuinely interested in what you offer. Next, creating a content plan is essential for consistent engagement. Aim to post regularly, linking each pin back to your product pages. This not only drives traffic, but keeps your audience updated on your offerings. Incorporate a mix of inspirational, informative, and promotional pins to maintain interest and variety in your content. SEO strategies are your best friend on Pinterest. Research keywords related to your products and incorporate them into your pin descriptions and titles. This practice will help enhance your visibility and ensure your pins show up in relevant searches. Engagement is just as important as visibility. Actively interact with your audience by responding to comments and participating in group boards. Building that relationship can foster trust, leading to higher sales in the long run. What specific strategies do you think you'll try first to harness the power of Pinterest for your products?